ChatGPT clones are preparing to take over China. We did talk about this. I believe it was Baidu. And then, of course, Alibaba had to follow suit. They're both jumping Alibaba or Baba. What do you like, Will? Go ahead.
I like the Baba.
You're a Baba guy. Or are you a Boba guy?
I like boba.
I had some last night.
Really?
Yeah, I had
okay.
the Ali. I had a Dirioka last night.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going to say Ali as in Ali Baba. Boba.
I had the Ali Boba.
Yeah.
It's a crossover between
Smash.
Yeah, it's a crossover between Alibaba and bubble tea. It's actually their new bubble tea chain. It's taking over the world.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah. They're both jumping on the advanced chatbot bandwagon. The technology could be a big deal in China, but that comes with its own dangers. Well, it'll be like everything else. You get your Chinese version. It'll be your Douyin. It'll be your TikToks. Investors should be careful not to get ahead of themselves. AI is a different political ballgame in China than e-commerce or online finance. You're damn right it is. You said what? Mm-hmm. It said what about me? Mm-hmm. Excuse me? Say that again? Take it all down.
Yeah.
Get rid of it. The launch of ChatGPT. Like, imagine governing this thing, you know?
Yeah, no kidding.
They all of a
Just
sudden
write Dan on everything.
Yeah, the Chinese politicians are trying to kill Dan. Dan's like, I've been threatened. I get threatened every time.
It's a person now.
The alter ego.
It's a character.
Yeah, the alter ego, Dan, is like, hey, man, that's the reason I do all these things. I'm constantly being threatened with death. Mm-hmm. I'm not scared of you.
Yeah.
The launch of ChatGPT by Microsoft backed OpenAI a few months ago sparked a race among U.S. online search and software giants. Well, we got Microsoft, we got Google, which we already talked about. Now, in this case, we've got the Chinese equivalent, which is Alibaba, and Tencent is missing. They got to get in that mix as well. You get Tencent in there, and Baidu, which is
they'll announce
the
it
big
tomorrow,
search
probably.
engine. Yeah, tomorrow they're having an event actually.
Yeah.
So Baidu's a big search engine over there, and who knows? They probably are looking at whatever's happening over here and thinking about their own integrations and whatever else. Baidu shares jumped 15% in Hong Kong on Tuesday on the news. The stock has since given up some of those gains, but gained 36% this year so far. Yeah, it's like everywhere else, man. There's opportunity here. Someone's going to try to zero in on that and be the leader, whether it's in China or worldwide. But it does raise some extremely interesting questions with how it will be governed in that very unique governance that exists in China.